What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something very different to what you guys would have seen on our channel before. We're in the workshop and we're getting creative. We have a kid's electric Jeep. You can buy this from any normal convenience store, Big W, Kmart, wherever you want to go. You can buy that. On Marketplace, we went and bought this. This is our motorised esky. This is a 49cc beast. 4 wheels, rear-wheel drive. It's got drift tyres on the back. Should we show them what it's like when I sit in it? It's a kid's toy. My issue is that once I sit in it, the weight distribution, the room we have for the engine and stuff becomes very tight. And then obviously like the steering column comes through the middle here, which makes it even harder. So this setup was obviously going to put the steering out the front, keeps the weight balance across it a bit better. When you drive this, it's actually a bit more stable than this. When you drive this, because it's so back heavy, it like wheelies so easy. So when I sit in it, it looks like this. I have driven it before. Should we show them? Like this. So that's what happens. That's why we got to put a petrol engine on it. That can probably stay. Alright, let's get stripping run. Just like that. Oh. What are we talking, BT?
Is that the shocks?
Wait.
Her life doesn't have belt springs.
Take that back. Battery removed.
You're being legit, eh?
Just a reference, protecting the goggles. Alright guys, it is a new day. Unfortunately, we finished the build super late. It was like 2 AM. So we're refilming now so you guys can see how cool this Jeep build is. So as you guys know, it was an electric powered Jeep that you can buy from Kmart or anywhere online. And now we have a 50cc petrol powered Jeep. The best part about this video before we get into driving and having some fun on these things is the good old YouTube treat.
There's carnage everywhere.
It was working.